Earth, formed from the explosion of an ancient star. We are all children of the stars, spacemen and spacewomen, drawn by our inborn, curious nature to journey through new, mysterious territories, endlessly seeking new discoveries. And you might even have fantasized about exploring once again these starry night skies, for within you lies the most awesome resource in the universe, the culmination of explosive advances in the evolution of mankind, your own human mind. Imagine the possibilities as you embark within your far-reaching adventure. Your time to sit or lie back, more comfortably relaxed. For if you once believed you were utilizing the full extent of your mind's potential, you can especially enjoy venturing inside your wide open frontier of capabilities. You may not yet see. Yes, you can be pleasantly surprised to discover your endless capacity to discern new meaning when venturing through new fields of learning, even though your life force inside only desires to be summoned forth so you can naturally savor your freedom, effortless freedom, to explore life's solutions, increase the sum of your comprehension. Yes, you can enjoy not having to do anything. You don't even have to listen to me, because your inner, wiser self is exploring for you the deepest spheres of your learning frontier. For you know when you're drifting within, inwardly, your deeper self conceives mind-expanding dreams. In those dreams, you can venture wherever you desire, even explore the furthest reaches of the universe as you traverse these dark, starry skies, delightfully apprising through your window view a swiftly shifting panorama of the luminous night, the bright multitude of lights unfolding, holding in store for you a child of the stars, far-reaching new adventure. So as you place your hands on the controlling wheel, how do you feel? Solely in control, exploring freely at last, riding freely inside your own soaring spacecraft. For you need only lie back, backwardly, against the comforting support of your reclining seat, seemingly contoured to your very form. Surely, as your spacecraft soars with speed blinding, as you're naturally breathing more deeply, how soon before your body's completely unwinding, so finding you're more deeply eased, even as your craft soars with lightning speed. With each breath deep, perceive your life force streaming warmly through and enlightening your true nature to adventure forth and learn. Discern the solution to each newly posed question. Though in those school days long ago, your enthusiasm to explore life for insightful, meaningful comprehension might have required freer expression, for you desired to pose those questions best interesting you, to make your own original associations, investigate solutions in your own innovative way. Instead, were you spoon-fed answers ready-made? So today, are you more and more discerning this long-ago so-called form of learning is completely unbecoming of one of your stature, For you're a high-born adventurer, a curious explorer, most at home in the mysterious, uncharted unknown. Are you beginning to realize who you really are? An enterprising child of the stars, a space traveler desiring to acquire meaningful new learnings, desiring to reclaim your true nature, to traverse the amazing terrain of the universe. Your craft soaring like a light beam through these starry night skies. So as you breathe in deeply and now let go in a long sigh of relief, sense how deeply renewed, thoroughly gratified you are. To open wide the floodgate of your exploratory nature, liberate the child's special pleasure in resuming your lifelong learning adventure. Yes, sense each breath deep, deep, releasing your enlightening life force, streaming reassuringly through you, your renewed zeal to reveal new meaning in each field of life you're to be exploring. And you alone know what these will be. For how soon do you perceive inside that exultant feeling, that accomplished, competent feeling of pride? Each intriguing new discovery seems to bring, yes, once more recapturing the fresh senses and open mind. All the exploratory excitement of the child inside, your nature to comprehend new solutions, easy to find. For as you're soaring with lightning speed, venturing through sparkling, starry heavens, as your body naturally breathes more deeply, your enlightening life force streaming forth freely, you need only visualize each life question, focused luminously in central position in your mind's eye. Then relating, associating from this one question to your newly researched and prior store of information. From this question, generating in all directions, like swiftly shifting light beams, streams of associations, each one in turn a new focal point of origination, directly reflecting these enlightening streams to an ever greater range of related, associated themes. Your thoughts liberated, soaring freely like light beams, surely for each posed question, new solutions coming to you, integrated into your own personal comprehension, into your own unique, original interpretation. And with the playfulness of the child inside, are you finding your mind more free each day of some of your prior life assumptions? Those time-worn traditions, those old conventions that may have once narrowed your life's perceptions. For today, how soon before you note for each question posed, each of your newly enlightened associations is shining forth in original and innovative directions. So you realize totally new relations, new associations. So you're ever making these surprising revelations. And as you sense a new openness, receptiveness to a creative, thoroughly breakthrough life view, intuitive flashes coming to you as fast as light beams, as fast as your craft, soaring with lightning speed right through these inviting, starry night skies. For how soon before you apprise a particular star shining more and more bright? And since there nearby is a planetary sphere, why not steer here and land, soon to be discerning, within these hollowed halls of universal learning? These elder scholars, imposing robed figures, though with twinkling eyes, warmly ushering you inside Earth's highly esteemed ambassador, greeted with due honor. We welcome your renewed learning adventure. Surely, since you insightfully seek new solutions, we invite you to discuss with us some of the universe's eternal questions. For you most certainly know, to realize the solution to some question posed, as your body naturally breathes more deeply your enlightening life force, streaming forth freely, you need only visualize your question focused luminously in central position in your mind's eye, then relating, associating from this one question to your newly researched and prior store of information. From this question, generating in all directions, like swiftly shifting light beams, streams of associations, each one in turn, a new focal point of origination, directly reflecting these enlightening streams to an ever greater range of related, associated themes. Your thoughts liberated, soaring with lightning speed, surely, for each posed question, new solutions coming to you, integrated into your own personal comprehension, into your own unique, original interpretation. And isn't it a great feeling to rely on your creative life source, your own magical, most prolific resource? For as your body naturally breathes more deeply, you need only ride freely astride your own spacecraft, soaring as fast as your thoughts, soaring with lightning speed, like light beams, trusting these to disclose just the answers you need. And you may be pleasantly surprised to perceive new solutions materialize, often in the most unexpected times. For will these come in the midst of a dream, enlightening you in the silence of the night? Or will solutions come when performing some mundane chore? Surely, in your own time, making your desired breakthroughs, coming through with the solutions to inspire you. Because each new morn, you're reborn to explore your true nature, a star child, smiling upon life's renewed learning adventure, exploring the furthest depths of the ultimate frontier of mankind, your potentially limitless own human mind.